Hello, all my beautiful queens, and welcome to another video, girl. We are back in the salon, finally. We are at the Rare Touch Hair Palace with our girl, Renidra. And today we are doing a body wave unit. It is so cute, girl. So cute. Absolutely gorgeous. So listen, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you want to see exactly how I got this unit and this install style from beginning to end, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. Period.
I know you don't mean it. You just need some TLC, THC, get Hennessy. Yeah, that's me. Don't be afraid to speak your mind. Let me know. Let me know.
Hey, girl. Welcome back. So today, we are back in the salon, girl. We are back with our girl, Nidra, and we have a beautiful unit from Ms Coco Hair. So, in this box, in this bag, which I love when they send these bags because I like to travel with these bags and see what kind of goodies they sent us. They sent us lashes, headbands, wig caps, combs, clips, bonnets, and edge brush. Now let's get into the units. This is our box. It is 24 inches. It's a body wave 13x4 lace front. Y'all know I love these lace frontals. It's 180% density. I'm not gonna do a lot of like heavy manipulation or styling. We're just gonna do the install. So it's a body wave. Got combs and adjustable straps. Now this lace is gonna have to be make-up for real because it's a little, I don't know. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4 combs and a strap. It looks good first glance, so let's see what the install is gonna be like. See you in a minute.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Ay, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cat, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cat, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart.
Thank you so much for staying all the way to the end, all of my beautiful girls. I really appreciate you guys. Listen, I love this unit. It's beautiful. The hair is great quality, well made. Hello, just let me just, I like to give you the 360, girl. That was more like a 180. That was a 180. But listen, I absolutely love this unit. The hair is soft. It's beautiful. Thank you so much. Shout out to our girl for sponsoring this video. You guys make sure you head on over to the website. I have all of the details down below in the description box. A few things I want to talk about in full transparency. So, y'all know I have a big head. I say that almost each and every one of these videos. I tell you about the size of my head. But really, it's the size of my head compared to who and what, right? So, I think my head is 25 inches or 26 inches in full diameter, okay? Which means that 9 times out of 10, I have to have a custom unit. Now, with this particular unit, I put Nidra through hell because in addition to needing a custom unit because of the size, I also have a widow's peak, which makes my hairline extremely difficult to deal with, right? On top of that, this particular unit did not come all the way down on both sides because it was a little bit too small. So I wouldn't be very versatile with the styling, meaning I'm not going to be able to wear it up. It really would just be this one style and that's it, right? That's pretty much it. To the side, like a side do, and that was going to be it. But I love the quality of the unit, and I was actually excited about it because, as you guys know, I love a body wave frontal because I feel like basically you put it on and that's it. You don't have to do a whole bunch of excessive styling. If you have some good high quality mousse, that's it. To me, this hair in its natural state is very beautiful. If you wanted to, after a couple of weeks, you may want to do some wand curls, or you can tie it up at night and, sleep with your curls in and wake and then go. And that should last for a really, really long time. So, shout out to this wonderful, amazing hair company. Thank you so much for collaborating with this video. Shout out to Nidra for allowing me. A lot of you guys asked me, about the shop. But Nidra allows me full run of her shop. I'm supposed to get here early. That doesn't always happen. But no matter what time I get here, she always has my back. She gives me a beautiful, wonderful, amazing install. So definitely go out and do something nice for yourself. It's Valentine's Day coming up. Get your hair did, girl. Support your local stylist, okay? And definitely hit up my girl Nidra at Rare Touch Hair Palace. I always say the name wrong. And thank you so much for sponsoring this video. And thank you guys for watching. Let me know what type of unit you want to see next. And remember, beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is stuck on gorgeous. What are you thinking? I'm going to tap on the screen. Get ready. Hello. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. You have a wonderful week. And I will see you in the next video.
I wanna